Hello guys, I'm Alicia and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have a very exciting video planned. This is going to be a video about how to get back into a routine. Right now my life has been very hectic with all the different changes, moving to online school, sports getting cancelled, staying at home, self-quarantine, that kind of thing. So a lot of different changes and my routine is completely messed up. And now I have school that I actually have to get done and have to be productive, so I need to figure out how to do that. So today I'm going to share 5 different tips and pretty much a 5-step process of how to do that. And we're going to do that together, so grab a notebook and let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is make a list of things we need to stop doing. Things that are decreasing our productivity, that are making us uninspired, that kind of thing, that are just time wasters. So for me, that's scrolling through social media, binge watching TV shows, that kind of thing. Things that aren't productive in almost any way, and things that we can just limit and maybe cut in half. Maybe limit scrolling through Instagram to like 15 minutes a day instead of the 2 hours you normally spend. The next thing is a list of things we want to start doing. Things that we are inspired to do. Pretty much just a list of things we want to do every single day. For me, those are things like playing tennis every single day with my dad, or driving. I have my permit, I need to get my hours. Maybe you want to bake every single day, maybe you want to design something every single day. It's so up to your interpretation and it's so personalized to you, so make a list of things you want to start doing. I also want to include passion projects in this. I discovered the word passion projects kind of recently, and it's inspired me to take action to achieve my goals. Pretty much, my interpretation of it, at least, is something you're passionate about and you just kind of make a project out of it. So before the quarantine thing, one of my passion projects was choreographing a dance. Currently that's kind of on hold, but that's a passion project. If you want to sew every day, if you want to bake every day, if you want to create new recipes, I consider that a passion project. I think it's so up to your interpretation. You can do creative projects, art projects, just anything. Just kind of get creative and do something you're super passionate about and just pour your heart into it. A list of things you can also start doing are learning a new skill, like guitar, or just painting every single day, or designing something. Right now it's a lot of time for creativity. People are getting really creative. People are doing things. They're, I guess, bored of being bored. This is not the video to tell you exactly what you can do when you're bored, but I hope I can inspire you to do something if you're bored instead of scrolling through social media or binge watching YouTube videos. List number 3 is a list of things we need to do. I need to unload the dishwasher every day. So that's going to be on my list of things I need to do every day. Or water my plants, school, that kind of thing. So just make a list of everything you for sure need to do so you're reminded of that and you know not to forget it. Step number 4 is making a plan. So combining all those lists. I printed out some free printables on Pinterest that I just found on scrolling through daily routine sheets. And I got inspired by this one person that designed this page that was kind of like a chore chart. So I decided to make my own, and I sketched it and drew it on bullet journal paper. You guys can get inspired by that and make one of your own, or find something on Pinterest or some other source and print it out and use it to make a draft of your routine. So I'm just kind of making a draft of what I need to get done that day. All my different tasks, I have the little chore chart, and I'm just making you can make little checks of what you've accomplished. And then I also have about a daily routine with different times, which I know are going to be blocked off for certain things. So a block for school, a block for just hanging out with my family, maybe a block for going outside if that's available to you, or doing some fitness thing. So this is a great way to organize all your lists and kind of bring them all together and make a plan to accomplish them. Step number 5 is finding something that will keep you motivated. We get so easily uninspired, we lose interest, and we need to find things that will keep us on that point. So I recommend writing a list of things you want to accomplish in life, a list of things that you want to get done. So you can look at that and remind yourself that doing all these things will help you get there. Maybe if you're starting some challenge, some 30-day, 2-week challenge, you get your friend to do it with you and you guys can keep each other accountable for that and both get inspired and motivated together. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, hit the thumbs up button and comment down below what you want to start doing. I really want to hear what you guys want to start, what projects you're starting. I'm always looking for inspiration. Let's inspire each other. Hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss a single one of these videos and you can join this amazing journey. I know there are so many great things in store for you. You just have to get there. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!